Hi viewers, today my topic is research methodology 1 section operational definitions. First of all, I define what is operational definition. Operational definition operational definition in research methodology we use for all our study and demographic variables. Operational definition is the conceptual definition plus operational. What is operation we are going through to do is called operational definition. First of all, we clear about the concept of the variable. What is the concept? Then we define what we are going to do for measuring this variable in our concerned research is called operational definition. Mostly students confused about operational definitions and they write wrongly operational definitions of the study variables. But through this video I want to clear in the viewers what is operational definition. First of all, you conceptually define the study variables. After conceptually definition and defining of the variables, you tell the readers what operation, what you have to done, what you will do, what you have done, what the functions you've performed for measuring the study variable. Means operational definition is conceptual plus operational definition. Then your definition is complete. Another important thing, when you are going through to operationally define the study variables, you have to define all your study variables, main study variables and demographic variables. Such as if you are applying the mental health scale 6 further more sub-factors and categories. You must have to operationally define mental health and all other sub-factors and categories. Anxiety, depression, psychological well-being, psychological distress, emotional ties, life satisfaction, etc. Otherwise your operational definition will not be completed. When you operationally define the variables, must have to if you give citation and reference of a one variable operational definition, you have to give the citation and reference of all study variables in operational definition. Otherwise quit it. If you quit, not give the citation of your operational definition, not give for all variables citation and reference. If you give one, you have to be must give the definition of all study variables separately of each study variables. Just you are reading the operational definition of Taliban. Talib is Arabic word which means desired use of something. Urdu and Pashto adopt to Arabic these terms when it is suffixed with ilm. It becomes talib ilm, which means the one who seeks knowledge. In Pashto, specially used for religious scholar. This ruler of talib. This is definition, not operational definition. This is wrong. You have to clear the Taliban, but you not operationally define. what operation, what work you will do, and the Taliban. There must have to be mentioned. We have to study Taliban ideology and ideological factors through contextual data. Next one, ideology. Afghan militants who religious influenced ideology have some reflect of extremism. This is also uncompleted. Completed definition. The ideology of Taliban we will study through their previous speeches, audio video interviews, contextual data, by thematic analysis and qualitative content analysis, contextual analysis, find out the ideology of Taliban. Psychosocial factors. Those internal external factors influence the cognition of an individual, which are personality characteristics and outward environmental factors. These will be manipulated in my proposed study. How these play a role in Taliban ideology. This is completed operational definition because conceptual as well. Operation. What is operation? In this operational definition, these will be manipulated in my proposed study. How these play a role in Taliban ideology. I firmly, clear-cut determine what will be function I will perform for mirroring the psychosocial factors of Taliban ideology. I conceptually defines psychosocial factors as well. What will be the function I will perform for mirroring psychosocial factor is also mentioned there. This is complete operational definition. Hopefully my viewers will got my point and learn very well about the operational